Let me ask you a question. How many times have you picked up your phone today without even thinking about it? Scrolled through a feed, seen a notification, and just clicked?
They don't know your heart. I do.
What if I told you that every single one of those clicks isn't just killing your time? It's physically changing the structure of your brain, and that if you press pause for just 30 days, you can trigger a neurological shift so profound it can upgrade your focus, your mood, and your self control. This isn't just a digital detox theory, this is neuroscience. So today, we're going on a little journey inside your skull. We're going to explore the three dramatic things that happen to your brain when you stop feeding it social media. And more importantly, how you can use this knowledge to feel more in control, less anxious, and genuinely more present in your own life. For years, I thought my distraction was a willpower problem. I'd blame myself for being lazy or undisciplined. But then I learned it's not about you failing, it's about a system, a $1 billion attention economy that's brilliantly designed to hack your brain's ancient reward pathways. Apps are engineered to be slot machines. You pull the refresh lever and you might get a jackpot, a funny meme, a like on your post, a message. That maybe is just what fuels the addiction. It's called a variable reward schedule, and it's the same trick used in casinos. So, what actually happens inside your head when you log off? It's like your brain finally gets to take up a pair of shoes that were two sizes too small. You'll feel three big shifts.
It's the little things, Jimmy. It's the little things that rip you apart. It's the little things that...
First, you'll feel the weight lift. Second, you'll get your attention back. And third, this one is my favorite, you'll unlock your creative spark. And the best part? You don't need to throw your phone in the ocean. Ready to see what your brain is truly capable of? Let's go. Let's play a quick game. Think about the last time you saw a friend's amazing vacation photos or someone's big career win. Did you feel a tiny, almost invisible pang? That's not you being jealous. That's your ancient, tribal brain, the part that just wants to belong and be safe, saying, wait, is everyone okay without me? Am I falling behind? Now imagine that tiny alarm bell going off hundreds of times a day. Every scroll, every comparison. No wonder we feel a constant, low-grade hum of anxiety. Stepping away from social media is like gently telling that part of your brain, it's okay, you're safe, you can stand down. And that hum, it starts to fade, sometimes in just a few days. Here's a picture for you. Imagine your focus is like a clean, clear windshield. Every single time you stop your work to check a notification, you put a tiny crack in the glass. Do it all day? Your windshield is totally fogged and fractured. That's attention residue. Your brain is still partly stuck on the last thing. The wild thing is, studies show this constant switching can make the part of your brain responsible for focus, but here's the superpower. Your brain is like Play-Doh. It can reshape itself. When you practice staying on one task, you're not just being productive. You're literally smoothing out those cracks and polishing the glass. You're giving your focus muscle a workout, and it gets stronger every time. This is the coolest part. When do you get your best ideas? In the shower? On a walk? It's always when you're not trying, right? That's because your brain has a brilliant background mode, a creative incubator. It only turns on when you're not being fed constant stimulus. So if we never let ourselves be bored, if we fill every spare second with scrolling, we're locking the door to our own idea factory. Stepping away from social media isn't creating an empty void, it's creating a fertile void. It's the space where your mind can finally wander, connect the dots, and hand you those genius solutions on a silver platter. So how do we make this real? Let's run a 3-week experiment together. No shock, no drama. Week 1. Be a detective. Just open your phone's screen time stats and watch what happens. Be curious, not critical. Which app is the sneakiest thief? Week 2. Build a speed bump. Make it harder to mindlessly tap. Turn off notifications. Move your apps off the home screen. That 1 extra second of friction is your new superpower. Week 3. Offer a better deal. When the itch to scroll comes, have a better option ready. I'll scroll or I'll read 1 chapter. I'll scroll or I'll walk around the block. You're not taking something away, you're trading up. This isn't about missing out, it's about opting in. Opting into deeper focus, a quieter mind and conversations with your own incredible brain. You're not losing connection, you're making a more important one with yourself. Your brain is waiting, full of potential. All it needs is a little space to breathe. Pick one of those 3 weeks and start your own experiment today. Then come back and tell me in the comments, what was the first thing you noticed? If this gave you a new perspective, hit that like button, it helps more people find these ideas, and subscribe for more simple guides to taking back your focus and your time. Thanks for watching, and I'm more than just happy to see you in the next one.